Hi, this is Kyle from Wheel Tech. Today we have here a rim that was brought in for straightening. You can see right here the bend in the front of the lip. I'm going to show you later how that's heated up to make the metal malleable and bent back into place.
This is the start of the wheel straightening process. We have the wheel here in the sandblaster getting cleaned up.
Here we're showing the back of the wheel. There's also a bend there. We can see it better now that we have the tire off. Now here we're going to mark the beginning and end of the bend in the tire. You can see here we're marking it next to the gauge. So that's the start of the bend on the wheel. And you can see us going around and seeing where it's out of round. There's another spot. So you can see that this wheel is almost an oval, the way it's bent. Now we're applying heat to the wheel. It's an aluminum alloy wheel, so by heating up the metal to a certain degree, you can make it malleable and therefore bend it back into its proper form. Now we slowly start to bend it back into round. Going over the back bead now with the jig called the moon. This is part one of a several part process of getting the wheel roughly back into form, and then precision straightening follows. Here we are cleaning off the bead. There's a lot of buildup that can keep the tire from sealing properly. Now, a lot of cases we have to take out the valve stem in order to straighten the wheel. The high pressure gauge here, flattening out the bend. It's the second part of the process here. Now that we've heated up the wheel and applied pressure, you can see there's no light shining from underneath the bend. We're completely flat. Now we're on our secondary machine here. You can see we're still applying a moon, and there's still a slight hop to the wheel. This is our fine-tuning machine. The idea being do the precision work of straightening here. We're going to show you the electronic resistor next. We're applying more heat again to keep it malleable so you don't crack the wheel. Now we're applying oil to lubricate the wheel as it moves across the hydraulic platen. Notice the vibration as the moon moves up onto the wheel, forcing it back into round. Now as we apply pressure, we can start to look at our electronic resistor, which is telling us how far into round the wheel is. And as we increase pressure, the dial gauge is telling us how close we are, and that's our tolerance. Here we are installing a new stem valve into the wheel. Again, this had to be cut out for straightening. Now we have the tire all mounted on the wheel after straightening, and we just put some weight on the balancer, and we're going to see how it runs here. As you can see, it's got a complete balance.